Alright, we have got on top of the RV, and what I thought was a crack in my skylight does not appear to be one now. We were looking at this one right here. I can't feel it, no sharp edges. It might be a crack on the inside, but what I'm going to do is put a little Dicor anyway, but where the water's coming from is coming from up here. And it's running down that inside channel and dripping down inside the camper right here. But this is I was not expecting to see this. This is a pretty good crack right here. You can see where it's even peeled it off. It's even spread clear over to here. This is an old one that was about 2 inches long, maybe longer. But anyway, to fix it, I drilled a hole at the end of it, and it did work. And this has got about 3 different small columns of Dicor Self-Leveling Sealant, roof sealant on it. And that's what we're going to put right here too. We'll clean this up, brush it off, and put the Dicor on it. And just for safety's sake, we'll run a bead right here. And then after that, we'll just keep an eye on it. So let's get the brush out. Let it dry a little bit. We're going to go ahead and just hit this spot right here. Just wipe them off. Put a little Dicor on him. Now on a repair like this, it's really hard to say how long it's going to last. This one here is held up. This actually cracked out on me over here. The camper was still on warranty, but I wasn't about to make a 200-mile round trip and drop it off and let one of their guys butcher it, so I just wanted to fix it myself. So I just drilled a hole, put some Dicor on it, just to get a good start. Now, beautiful thing about this lap sealant. This is Dicor product, lap sealant for roof replace or roof repair. It is self-leveling. You can see it there, self-leveling. And it works great because it just kind of flows. But that also means if you have any kind of a ramp up or ramp down, like if you was putting that on this dome where it would run down, you're going to have to put on a very thin layer and let it seal up for a day, maybe 2, and then put another one on it. That's what I did over here. I think this has like 3 little layers on it. But this stuff is fantastic for this kind of work. And as long as that didn't continue to crack out and keep splitting out, this will fix it. Now I'm not done. I'm going to let that seal up, and tomorrow I'll put another bead on it. And from that point on, we'll just keep an eye on it. But the more I look at it, this entire dome is going to have to be replaced. The Skylight is so thin. This is just a safety measure here. But this product is great. I'll put a link in the description to it on Amazon. That's where I get it. If you're Prime, it's 2-day delivery. And this may not show up very well on the camera at all, but just to see this, after you put this bead on, and in about 5 minutes or less, it just kind of, real nicely, it just kind of spreads out and smooths out and still keeps it fairly thick. It will definitely prevent the leak, but I just don't know for how long. But that's the life of owning an RV. It's just always a whole lot of maintenance looking you right in the eye. Hey, well, travel safe out there. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.